Most people who struggle with chronic afternoon fatigue believe they need expensive energy drinks, premium organic supplements, or exotic superfoods to get through the day. But here is the problem. Relying on rapid caffeine shots and synthetic energy blends actually starves your cells of real fuel. It creates a toxic cycle of blood sugar spikes and mitochondrial uncoupling that makes you more tired tomorrow than you are today. But what if the secret to sustained all-day energy does not cost hundreds of dollars, but actually under $35 a week? By the end of this video, you will discover the exact 10 biochemically validated energy foods that cost less than $50 a week, backed by clinical research from the world's leading medical institutes. If you skip these specific metabolic pairings, you will remain trapped in the exhaustion cycle. Here is exactly how to reprogram your body's energy production on a budget. If you have ever felt like you are doing everything right, sleeping 8 hours, drinking coffee, and yet still crashing at 2 p.m., I want to validate that experience. The problem is not your willpower. The problem is that your current diet is causing silent cellular energy leaks. Today, we are going to fix that. We are breaking this down into 3 phases. First, we will optimize your mitochondria. Second, we will synthesize neurotransmitters for razor-sharp focus. And third, we will flatten your glucose curve to eliminate the afternoon crash. If you want to stop wasting money on quick fixes and start mastering your cellular biochemistry, hit that subscribe button right now, because we release weekly blueprints to optimize your physical performance on a realistic budget. Let us begin with Phase 1, mitochondrial power. To understand true energy, we have to look at our cellular power plants, the mitochondria. Every second, your mitochondria use oxygen to turn the food you eat into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, the raw currency of biological energy. But like any machine, mitochondria are not perfectly efficient. They leak energy. This brings us to food number 1, fresh spinach. For decades, we were told spinach makes you strong because of its iron. But clinical trials out of the Karolinska Institute in Sweden prove that iron is not the real hero here. Instead, spinach is packed with inorganic nitrates. When you consume spinach, your salivary bacteria convert these nitrates into nitric oxide. This compound directly downregulates specific membrane proteins called ANT and UCP3, which are responsible for letting protons escape from your mitochondrial membranes. By shutting down this proton leak, nitrates make your mitochondria highly coupled and incredibly efficient. In clinical studies, eating a plate of spinach daily for just 3 days reduced the oxygen cost of physical exercise by 3 to 5%. Your body literally runs on less oxygen. Pro tip: always squeeze fresh lemon juice over your spinach. The vitamin C chemically reduces the non-heme iron from its ferric state to its ferrous state, making it highly bioavailable, so your body can build the red blood cells needed to transport that oxygen. To build the physical structure of these mitochondrial powerhouses, you need food number 2, rolled oats. Oats are a low glycemic complex carbohydrate that releases glucose slowly into your bloodstream. They are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that acts as a mandatory cofactor for ATP synthesis. Without magnesium, your body cannot biologically utilize ATP. Pairing oats with food number 3, sweet potatoes, provides a rich supply of potassium, which regulates the cellular sodium-potassium pump. This pump consumes up to 30% of your resting energy, making its efficiency critical to preventing physical fatigue. Physical stamina is only half the battle. Mental fatigue and brain fog can be just as debilitating. This brings us to Phase 2 and food number 4, whole eggs. Eggs are a dense, budget-friendly source of high-quality protein and B vitamins, but their true cognitive superpower is found in the yolk. The yolk is rich in phosphatidylcholine, a lipid-bound form of choline. Your brain requires choline to produce acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter responsible for focus, memory, and cognitive processing speed. Because the blood-brain barrier is highly selective, synthetic choline supplements often fail to cross it efficiently. However, the phosphatidylcholine in eggs crosses this barrier with high efficiency, directly supporting neurotransmitter production. The Framingham Heart Study confirmed that individuals with higher dietary choline intake performed significantly better on cognitive tests measuring memory and verbal processing. To protect these critical brain cells from neuroinflammation, we introduce food number 5, canned tuna. Tuna is an exceptionally cheap source of long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These fatty acids insert themselves into the lipid membranes of your brain cells, reducing inflammation and facilitating smoother neural signaling. Additionally, tuna provides a highly concentrated dose of selenium, a trace mineral that protects the brain from oxidative stress and supports thyroid hormone synthesis, the master regulator of your metabolic rate. But sustained focus also requires deep sleep. That is why food number 6 is walnuts. Walnuts are unique because they are one of the few dietary sources that contain preformed melatonin, the hormone that regulates your circadian rhythm. Eating a handful of walnuts in the evening helps signal to your brain that it is time to transition into restorative deep sleep, which is the ultimate foundation of daytime energy. Now let us talk about Phase 3, glycemic control. The classic 2 p.m. crash happens when your blood sugar spikes and crashes. To prevent this, we must pair carbohydrates with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. This is why food number 7 is dry lentils. Lentils provide a robust combination of plant-based protein, iron, and soluble fiber. The soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract, slowing down gastric emptying and delaying glucose absorption. To enhance this effect, we add food number 8, plain Greek yogurt. Yogurt provides calcium and high-quality casein protein, which digests slowly over several hours, ensuring a steady stream of amino acids to repair tissues and maintain metabolic activity. For the fat component of this synergy, we add food number 9, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects cellular membranes from oxidative damage during energy production. Finally, we round out this stabilization phase with food number 10, bananas. Bananas provide quick-release natural sugars for immediate physical fuel, but because they are packed with vitamin B6, they assist in the metabolic pathways that convert stored amino acids into usable glucose, ensuring your body has access to fuel even during periods of fasting. If you are finding these scientific breakdowns helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we are about to reveal the exact grocery blueprint that brings all of this together for under $35 a week. Many believe that eating this scientifically optimized diet is too expensive, but this exact grocery haul, containing all 10 of these biochemical powerhouses, costs just $34 at standard retail prices. By purchasing versatile, raw ingredients like dry lentils, whole eggs, and fresh spinach, you eliminate the massive markup of processed foods. The secret to making this sustainable is to adopt 3 key habits. Shop your pantry first, choose store-brand generics, and embrace meal repetition. Do not cook complex meals every single night. Instead, cook 1 big pot of lentil vegetable soup and 1 sheet pan sweet potato tray bake over the weekend. This simple strategy saves you time, cuts energy costs, and guarantees that you always have high-performance fuel ready in your fridge. Ultimately, real biological energy is not something you can buy in a colorful can or a synthetic pill. Those are simply stimulants that borrow energy from your future self, leaving you in a state of metabolic debt. True, sustainable energy is the natural byproduct of feeding your mitochondria and your brain the precise, high-affinity building blocks they require to function. When you stop spending money on clever marketing and start investing in your cellular biochemistry, your grocery budget goes down and your physical and mental stamina goes up. If you are ready to stop feeling exhausted and want to see the exact 2-hour weekend meal prep strategy that turns these 10 ingredients into a full week of delicious, high-energy meals, click on the video appearing on your screen right now. Let us optimize your health, 1 meal at a time.